wheel, sways between suitors on a broken heel. Of course her desires they always mistook. She'd rather been scarred than be scarred with looks. In conversation she'd often contend. Costumes build customs that evolve dead ends. She found her courage in a change of scene. This Sunday social would be short its queen. All her best years spent distracted by these tired reenactments. With the right step she would try her chances somewhere else. There he is, a step outside her view, reciting the words he hoped she might pursue. Night upon night, a faithful eye shore. If he'd only convince his legs across the floor.
Please don't watch me dancing. Oh no, don't watch me dancing.
Something changes when she glances, enough to teach you what romance is. With the right step they could try their chances.